Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can assemble those beautiful mini books that are available in my Etsy shop. So they're very easy to make. Just print them, cut them out as I did, and I already scored them. And I prepared some very interesting and fun things that you can make with them. I prepared a few pockets and little envelopes, as you can see, like this one here, with pictures inside. And there it is, this envelope with this little note. Let me just take it out. It's so small. There it is. So let me show you how you can assemble those mini books with fairies, and after that I'm going to show you how they look, those books. This is the cover, and you can put three sets of papers here in the book. This is the way I prepare them. You can prepare them or on other way if you wish. When you purchase it, you are going to receive 5 pages, and one of them is full with those beautiful miniature embellishments that I just showed you. So they are going to be full. I'm going to fold them very easily, so no worries. So as I said, I've already scored them, and I'm going to fold it like this. And I'm going to glue it. Let me just take my scissors. There it is. Okay. Because I need to cut out the axis here. And right now my cover is ready. I used thick papers, very thick. It is 120 grams. If you like, you can use smaller, like lighter paper. It's all up to you. But I prefer them to make them with thicker one. Okay. And the assembly of the pages. So I want to glue those papers together. Those papers together and those papers together. It's going to be very easy. Just bend this half like this and fold here. It's very easy. So I'm going to glue those two. I'm going to do the same with those. I need to glue them. This is the reason why I'm going to fold it like that. Here, here, I need to fold it back, and now I need to fold it in front. So in the end, it's going to look like this. When you glue it, let me just glue it and I will show you with the rest of the pages. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to glue, and I put glue on the first page, then on third, and on fifth page. So I'm going to bend it like this, and I'm going to fold it actually, and I'm going to glue. Then I'm going to fold this part, and I'm going to glue it. I'm going to do the same with the last page, like this. And in the end, you are going to receive those beautiful 3 pages. I'm going to leave them aside, and I'm going to do the same with the rest of the pages that I would like to put inside. I'm going to show you one more again. Here we need to fold it in front of us, then we are going to fold it on the back. Ooh, I didn't fold it well, I'm sorry. Again in front, again back, last front, and that's it. So I'm going to glue them. You can use glue stick. Probably it's going to look better with glue stick because the paper won't become crumbled because it's wet. But I'm always forgetting to buy glue stick. I have to write somewhere. Okay, I'm ready. So here, here, and here. And it looks like this. It is very easy. And again, let me see what is the correct position of those. So design is very easy to make. And I'm ready with my pages. So I'm going to take my embellishments that I've prepared, and those are my little pockets that I'm going to put somewhere. For example, here, let me just glue it. Okay, I'm going to put it here, this miniature pocket. And I'm going to put one here. Let me just see what is the correct. Yes, this is the correct direction of the pocket. Okay, if it is needed like this here, you can just trim the axis like that. Okay. Okay. Here, here, and this one here. For this one, I've prepared this miniature envelope with little note inside. It's a little image of a fairy house, and I'm going to glue it for the last page like this. Just glue it. Okay, and I'm going to take all the pages that I have and I'm going to glue them together. Let me just, and it's easy, just put them together and glue the spine. I'm going to take the axis with my finger and I'm going to put it here. Where is the spine? Like that. And before I close it, I'm going to put this miniature envelope. See what little cute note. Very beautiful. I like small things. And I'm going to put it here, or you can put it in the back, or you can put it whatever you want. You can put it here or here, wherever you want. This is just my interpretation. Unfortunately, I can't use the pockets, but I have few embellishments for them, for the pockets. They're very, very, very small. Oh, as you can see, the little embellishments. So I'm going to leave this one to dry, and I'm going to show you the rest that I prepared yesterday. And they look very beautiful, as you can see. And inside, in this beautiful fairy house book, we have this little envelope here, little notes. And miniature, as you can see, embellishments, ticket and a miniature tag, and one beautiful miniature envelope with image and this beautiful butterfly. And the second one looks like this. There it is, the miniature picture. And that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and check out my Etsy shop, So thank you for watching this video. I hope that, as I said before a few seconds, you enjoyed this mini tutorial that I made, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.